Hello friends, welcome to Alsmate. This is part 2 of the essay that I posted previously. In band 9 sample it is, and I guarantee that you cannot get any solution that is better than this essay. Just check out the solution to this IELTS essay and please let me know in the comments how did you like it. Let me explain the last line of the introduction also again. In the last line of introduction we tell that what the essay is going to be. So this essay intends to means wants to. Elucidate means explain. Elucidate means explain. The causative factors means reasons, and causative factor, the reasons were asked in the question, so we have written this essay will explain reasons. Intends to elucidate reasons behind the question was it has influence on people's mind, so we have to give the reasons for that it influences the people's mind. So it intends to elucidate the causative factor behind the intensifying impression. Instead of the word increasing impression, or instead of using the word influence or impact, we have chosen the word impression, and we have given the word intensifying with it. Increasing impression, intensifying impression of the newspapers on the people. So we have to give the reasons for it along with the potential favorable effects. So in this line I have combined the thesis also. Thesis means giving your opinion, means I have given the opinion also with this last line of the introduction, that I have given that this essay will give the reasons and potential favorable effects. Potential means possible favorable effects. Now we have to see the BP, what we have written in the BP to embark upon. So this BP has to be of the reasons. So let us see how we have given the reasons. The question was, here the student may find difficulty in finding out the reasons, because the question was quite typical. It was saying that newspaper shapes up the opinion, but we have to give the reason that why it shapes up the opinion. People may take the question on the wrong track, but the reasons are quite tricky to find out, because the question is saying that why it shapes the opinion of the people. Here the we have taken one idea, that to embark means to start with. Whenever we start with an idea, we can take this linker. To embark upon, whenever we start with paragraph. To embark upon, people find the newspaper trustworthy. So the main idea I've chosen is that people find the newspaper trustworthy because it shapes the opinion of the people. So if it is trustworthy only, then it can change the opinion. If people will not trust in the newspaper, then how will it change the opinion? So I have given the reason that it is trustworthy. Now I'll explain this word trustworthy, that why it is trustworthy. Because they feel that editors publish the news after scrutinizing and ascertaining the validity and truthfulness of the newspaper. So people feel that editors always publish the news after scrutinizing and ascertaining. Ascertaining means knowing, ascertain means know, scrutinizing means analyzing, and ascertaining means knowing the validity and truthfulness of the news. Thus, a surety of the authenticity associated with the newspaper confers it enhanced reliability. I have written that a surety of the authenticity, कि this surety of the authenticity associated with the newspaper confers it an enhanced reliability, and it goes without saying that the more an information source is reliable, the more impactful it can be. So I have related this reliable with the impactful word, because the question was revolving around this impact, that it creates impact. So I have given the logic that it is believable, newspaper is believable, people believe in it, because people think that any news in the newspaper is uh, always analyzed, scrutinized, screened by the editor. So they start believing in it, and the more they have the belief, look at this sentence, the more an information source is reliable, the more they have belief in it, the more impactful it can be. So this kind of sentence structure is also quite a high level of sentence. Let's take an example. The more you study, the more marks you will get. The more you study, the more marks you will get. So the more an information is reliable, the more impactful it will be. So I have related this reliability or truthfulness of the newspaper with the impact it creates on the people. So this reason I have chosen. Moreover, Now, moreover, the news in such an influential, the news, wait, yes, the news editors present the news in such an influential manner. I have written the editors. The question, our main idea was that how news editors present the news. The first idea I gave was that they scrutinize the news properly, and then what they do is they present the news in very influential manner. You must have known that they how they present the news by adding the pinch of the salt, and whenever anybody reads it, he or she gets interested in just getting the detail of that news. So news editors present the news in such a influential manner that as soon as people read the headings, as soon as means the moment they read the headings, a desire to dig into it deeper is generated in them. A desire is generated in them to dig into it deeper. Dig into it deeper means to seek its detail, to get into the detail is generated in them, which eventually ends up creating a desired impact in the minds or the psyches of the reader. So this, another reason I've given is that news editors present the news in an influential manner, and the way in which the news is presented always creates interest among the readers, and when that interest is generated, they try to get the detail of that particular news, and then eventually means finally, it ends up creating, look at this phrase, ends up. You can use it also, try to use it in your essays. It ends up means it finally, what it does is it ends up creating desired impact in the minds. Instead of mind, I can use psyche also, you can use psyche also. So I have circled this word, try to use this also in your tasks. Now let us move to the next BP.